अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
हम आज करने वाले हैं dual heel tap in and out. Alright, so this is again a ab move with a little bit easy for some people. It will be little difficult for some people, but no problem. Out, tap in and out, tap in and out. Don't move your upper body too much. Keep going, push, push, and out, push. Really working on your lower abs. You're just squeezing your lower abs, and this is the move is for lower abs. You know, the flabby lower abs जहाँ पे आपका बहुत ज़्यादा फैट जमा होता है and you feel कि यार ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा, ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा. You have to work on your lower abs. You have to burn those calories, and then you have to also focus on the nutrition. Again, downward dog to plank. Pretty simple move, but very effective. Very effective when you just squeeze your glutes, you engage your core. Alright, I'll just show the form again. Alright, go into the downward dog. You can touch your heels down, right, and then go into the plank position. Straight line here and straight line here. Alright, and you have to squeeze your glutes when you come up. Alright, push. If you feel that your form is not proper, you can take a break and remember to write it down on the board or on the piece of paper. A Superman flap. Alright, so let's do this and just flap. Alright, this way we are going to work on your glutes, your back, your abs. Everything is working. Alright, flap, flap, flap. Chest up, chest up, chest up. This way. Awesome, awesome. Count for yourself. Count. Go slow. Count slowly. Count slowly. Don't. Just keep your legs straight. Don't bend it to the knees. Don't bend it from the knees. Keep your legs straight and flap. Flap, flap. Awesome, awesome. Keep going.
अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे फिट. सी यू सून.